have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yay! It came in the mail. I try not to peek at what is coming in it because they're always sending me like these emails that they have sneak peeks and stuff like that. Especially when you try to do your add-ons, it's so hard because But anyways, gonna jump into this. I do pay for this with my own money. This is $25 a month, and it does have, I think it's like 5 full-size products in here. So let's go ahead and jump in. And as always, I know there was one thing that I was able to pick from, and I can see it right away, and it was this Juice Beauty. So I did pick that out. So they are doing kind of the same thing as Boxycharm, where you can like select at least 1 or 2 of the products. So I was able to select that product. So this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum, and this is worth $80. I am all about skincare, so when I saw that this was one of the options, I jumped on it. I was like, yes, come to mommy. Anti-wrinkle, yes girl. So this is supposed to have brightening apple. I hope it smells like apple because I love the smell of apple. I was that girl in high school who always smelled like country apple. I don't know, I think it was Bath and Body Works country apple. I don't know if you guys remember that, but also I went to school back in the 90s. So let me go ahead and see. It smells fresh, but it doesn't smell like apple. It's more of just like a light, clean scent to it. So excited to try this out and incorporate it into my skincare. It's supposed to have vitamin-rich juice base that's supposed to really ease fine lines, hydrate, and protect your skin. So next thing in here is the Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in 01 Albi Black. This is worth $11.99. So let's see what kind of, okay. So it's supposed to be waterproof, and let's see what kind of tip this is. Okay, so this is a felt tip. I am not even going to touch it. I am going to give this away because I already know Mama does not like felt tip. I'm just letting you know. It's just not my cup of tea. I like the ones that have like the little hairs on them. I just feel like it works better for me. One of my favorite ones is the Hank and Henry one that came in one of the boxes. I don't remember, Boxycharm, Ipsy, whichever one, but I am not a fan of felt tips, so I'd rather just give it away. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm always doing giveaways of products that I get extra or things like that, or actually sponsoring my own giveaways, so definitely follow me down below. Next thing in here is the Duft and Doft Pink Milk Mask set of 6. This is $14.98 for a set of 6. It says that it is skin brightening combo. It's supposed to put your skin dewy in 20 minutes. So this is what that looks like. Whoa mama. So these are like those sheet masks. I love sheet masks. My son thinks it's hilarious when I have them on. So I will definitely add this into my skincare. And I love sheet masks because then you know, you can just wear it around the house and have it on, and don't, you know, you can just peel it back, like take it just off and throw it away instead of like having to go wash your face or anything like that. And then the next thing in here is the Norsk Skin Meditation Gel Cream. This is worth $36. It says fluctuating hormones can make your skin super sensitive. It says this is a gel cream to help chill out. It has cooling peppermint oil, hydrating hyaluronic acid to give you soft, dewy skin at any stage of your monthly cycle, girls. So this is supposed to be geared towards obviously women, if you're menopausal, I guess, or in your cycle. I know that now, since having my son, or since, you know, even getting pregnant, I always thought my mom was just exaggerating heat flashes. I'd be like, ay mommy, que exagera, you know, you're just too much. But now that I had my son and I was pregnant, I was like, oh my God, hormones are so crazy, and they also can make you a little crazy. Because trust me, mama has lost her shit a few times during pregnancy, and even afterwards during my postpartum. So yeah, so hormones are legit. So this is a cute little bottle. It's almost like a serum. So let's see what it comes out like. Yeah, and I can't even like fathom the thought of menopause. So it has a slight like a slight peppermint smell to it, nothing like too much. It does have kind of like, I want to say Korean letters on here. Usually a lot of these, yeah, it says made in Korea. So they're Korean letters. It says a lightweight soothing gel cream keeps temperamental skin under control. So it is paraben free, fragrance free, 98% natural, alcohol free, no animal testing, natural color. I mean, the list goes on here on the side. So this is probably really good for someone who is looking for really cruelty free, clean beauty. I've never heard of this brand before, but that's something that I like about subscription boxes is trying out new brands that I've never tried before. And then the last thing in here is the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Amethyst. My son says everything with like a Z now. He's only 2, but he's learning to talk and everything's like las luces and stuff like that. So we always say he's like Spaniard. So that's what it looks like. And I actually own this palette. So where are you, baby? So I actually own this palette and I absolutely adore it. So here's mine all jacked up, but that's what the shades look like right there. Beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous purple palette. Just based on reviews, a lot of people say that this is her best one out of all the other ones, or the one that performs the best. But I have heard a lot of positive things about these little palettes. They are little 9-pan palettes, and a lot of them are monochromatic. So beautiful palette. So I will definitely be adding this to a giveaway on my Instagram. So yeah, this will go into my Instagram because obviously I already own it. And what's the sense in having 2 palettes, right? So definitely will go to one of you guys. And this is the little baggie this month. I wish they would stop including these bags because, to be honest with you guys, I don't use them. I feel like I have an excess amount of them. I'm always trying to find a reason to give one away to people. Like, I'm like, oh yeah, you need something here. Let me put it in one of these Ipsy bags because I have like just an excessive amount of them. Anyway, so as always, I will put the total value around here once I add it up. So that is it for my box. Let me know your thoughts on it. I have to say I'm pretty okay with this box. I like it. I don't absolutely love it. I think I would have really loved it if I had gotten like another one of these, a different shade that I don't own. It's like I literally only own one of Huda Beauty's like little Obsessions palette, and they send me the one that I own. Not like they know, obviously, but it is what it is. So this one's gonna go into a giveaway. Everything else is nice for the box. I feel like I get my money's worth, especially with the Juice Beauty. I really want to incorporate this. I've heard a lot of good things about Juice Beauty. So let me know down below what your thoughts are. You can follow me on my social media below. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. It's free to subscribe, and then you can just pick and choose which one of my videos you want to watch. And at the end, I will show videos of mine if you want to keep watching. Thank you guys, as always, for all your support. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.